multi-step equations. I would recommend you to watch the video on combining like terms before you jump into this. For this problem, we have 4m plus 2m minus 8 equals 22. The first thing we want to do is simplify everything. We want to make it look nice and clean. What that means is we want to go ahead and combine like terms for each side of the equal sign. Since 22 is by itself, we don't have to do anything. But on this side, we can combine like terms to make it smaller, condense it. How do we do that? Well, as you can see here, m and m are like terms. So we know that we can actually add 4 and 2 together. 4m plus 2m gives us 6m. And that's why you want to watch the video on combining like terms. Minus 8 equals 22 because we just bring down everything else that's left over. Now this turns into a two-step equation problem. The number furthest away from the variable, we want to go ahead and do the opposite of that first to get it to the other side of the equal sign. So the opposite of the opposite of negative 8 is positive 8. So we add 8 to both sides. That cancels out. You bring down what's left over. That's 6m equals 22 plus 8 gives us 30. Now follow along. 6m is 6 times m, which is multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplication? Because remember, when solving for variables, we do the opposite. We're going to go ahead and divide, and we put whatever our coefficient is at the denominator right here. So we divide both sides by 6. And that will cancel out to leave us with a positive m, and 30 over 6 gives us 5. You're not going to see it in this video, but remember, in the other videos on solving for variables, I always recommended for you to check. And I encourage you to do the same